Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. On a 7 day time frame chart, SushiSwap is still in a downtrend. And by the way, after breaking out this bed, the trend is now getting changed. Here you can see that we have found a quite firm and long-term support of 48 cents. That was also working as a recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. And before that, it was working as support here. And here in the month of November 2020, it was also working as a very, very strong support. And now recently, once again, the price line has tested the support of 48 cents and geared up and broke out another falling wedge pattern. And recently, you can see that SushiSwap has also broken out this very long-term, strong and long-term resistance zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. That was recently working as a resistance here, support here. And for several months, from the month of May 2022 up till the month of April 2023, it has been working as a very, very strong support. And now we have broken it out, and now it can work as a strong support and long-term support for the price line. And in today's video, we will analyze this recent breakout and this bigger breakout as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Book of Meme, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 9th of November 2024. And here you can also find the complete trade setup as well. Like this was a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buy zone and rallied to the sell target. And this was a very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that SushiSwap has been recently moving inside this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern since after the month of Feb up till the month of September 2024. And after the breakout, the price line was again and again getting rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. And now we have broken out this resistance zone, and now it can be flipped into a long-term support zone for the price line. If you take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that the price line is moving down to retest its previous resistance as a support. And after a successful retest, it's possible that it may move more down for the retest, and then it may move up to break out the next very, very long term and very strong resistance zone. That starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. If we move back here on the 7 days time frame chart once again, then you can see that this resistance zone, the coming resistance zone, has been previously breaking as a resistance zone here, almost here as well. And before that, it was breaking as a resistance zone here, here, and here. For several months, it has been breaking as a very, very strong and long-term resistance zone from $1.60 to $2. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge is also here at the top of the wedge at $2. And now if we take a look at this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, then so far the price line did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, and that long-term target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $23 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.